Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your button on your Cardco website. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the size of your button on your Cardco website. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go into your Cardco website, and then there's going to be an element here that says button. Now, once you click on this element, you want to click on the paintbrush icon that's labeled as appearance, and there's multiple different settings that you can edit here. So what you can do here is that you can actually go ahead and change the height of the button, and you can change the width of the button as well. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the size of your button on Cardco website. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.